While everyone struggles for months to learn new skills, there's an ancient Japanese learning system that can compress years of mastery into weeks. This method has been hidden in plain sight for centuries. Once you understand its three-stage structure, you'll never approach learning the same way again. Notice how this completely changes everything you thought you knew about skill acquisition. Most people spend 90% of their time in the wrong learning phase. This is why they plateau after initial progress and never reach true mastery. Research shows that traditional Western learning methods work against how the human brain acquires complex skills. The Japanese discovered this centuries ago and built an entire educational philosophy around it. This three-stage system was used by samurai warriors and master craftsmen. Modern Japanese corporations also utilize this learning framework. Psychologists now call this accelerated competence acquisition. Studies from Tokyo University confirm that students using this method achieve proficiency 300% faster than conventional approaches. The most successful people in Japan still use this exact framework today. You're about to discover the Shu-Ha-Ri system. Learn, break, and become. Each stage triggers specific neuroplasticity responses that compound your learning speed exponentially. Timing these transitions wrong will actually slow down your progress. The first stage, Shu, means to obey or to protect. During this phase, you must surrender to the fundamentals without creative interpretation. Your brain builds neural pathways through precise repetition. Any deviation weakens the foundation of your learning. Japanese masters understand that discipline in this stage determines everything that follows. Most people rush through Shu because it feels boring, but this is where real mastery begins. Research indicates that spending 70% of your total learning time in Shu creates unshakable expertise. The Japanese approach combines Shu with Shoshin, the beginner's mind. While Western learners fear looking incompetent, Japanese practitioners embrace not knowing. Shoshin keeps your mind open to subtle details that experts often miss. This mindset shift alone can double your learning speed. Stage 2. Ha means to detach or to break free. Only after mastering the fundamentals do you begin questioning techniques. This is where innovation happens, built on an unshakable foundation. Your brain now has enough pattern recognition to identify what works. Japanese masters spend exactly 20% of their practice time in Ha. They experiment with variations while maintaining core principles. Studies show that skipping proper Shu training creates weak skills. Modern neuroscience confirms that structured progression builds lasting expertise. fMRI studies show that Shu creates strong neural pathways. Ka develops cognitive flexibility. The final stage produces what researchers call effortless mastery. Toyota, Sony, and Honda still use this exact system to train their workforce. The final stage, Rai, means to leave or to separate. You've transcended the original techniques and now create your own methods. This isn't abandoning what you learned, it's evolving beyond it. True masters spend only 10% of their time in conscious Rai practice. At this level, you've become someone who naturally embodies the skill. This is why Japanese masters seem to perform effortlessly. The secret that makes this system powerful is its respect for natural learning progression. As the Japanese saying goes, the bamboo that bends survives the storm. Your Shu becomes your roots, Ha becomes your flexibility, and Ri becomes your unique expression. Most people try to bend before they've grown roots. This is why they break under pressure. Remember, 70% Shu for foundation building, 20% Ha for creative development, 10% Ri for mastery expression. This ratio isn't arbitrary, it's based on centuries of refined practice. The next time you approach any skill, ask yourself, which stage am I really in? This simple awareness will transform how quickly you progress. It will also deepen your mastery of anything you choose to learn.